Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn about how to block someone on WhatsApp using your iPhone. It is a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the WhatsApp on your home screen. Now click on it. Now you are in the WhatsApp. Next, find the person that you want to block. You can either scroll it down or search it on the search bar. After finding the chat, simply click on it. Now click on to the profile badge. Scroll it down until the end. Now here you can see the block option. Now simply click on it. The app will ask your permission once again. Click on to block. Now you have successfully blocked the person. So that's it. This is how you block someone on WhatsApp using your iPhone. Now the person will not be able to message you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.